Hi, I'm Samantha Lake for About.com, and today I'm going to show you tips for creating 6th grade level math word problems. We're here at Count Me In Tutoring in Bedford Corners, New York. Math is all about problem solving. One of the best ways to help children learn math is to present them with a problem in which they have to devise their own strategies to find the solution. These are commonly called word problems. When a student comes to the correct answer and can explain how they got to that answer, you know that they have learned the math concept completely. 6th grade word problems are divided up into the following main math categories: number concepts, patterns in algebra, geometry and measurement, data management, and probability. Here's a good tip to follow when creating word problems. It is best to stick to topics that the students come across in everyday life. At the 6th grade level, things like sports teams, shopping, and food are always popular topics. Try to keep most of your word problems gender neutral. Let's start with number concepts. Alex bought 7 t-shirts, one for each of his sisters, at $9.95 apiece. He was charged an additional $13.07 in sales tax. He left the store with only $7.28. How much money did he start with? Here, the student must write the equation themselves in order to come up with the correct answer. So, the equation would be the cost of the t-shirts, 7 times $9.95 is $69.65, plus the sales tax, $13.07, plus the money left over, $7.28, equals X, the money Alex started with. The answer, X equals $90. A great tip is to create word problems where students can visualize the subject of the problem. So, let's move on to a geometry and measurement word problem for 6th graders. Trisha grew a garden so she could make her own salads. Her garden is 10.5 feet long and 4 feet wide. She lives in the country, so she built a fence to keep the deer out of her garden. She builds a fence around the garden that is 11 feet long and 5.5 feet wide. What is the difference between the area of the garden and the fence? So, in order to solve this word problem, students will have to take a few steps. First, find the area of the garden, length times width, 10.5 times 4, which equals 42. Then, they have to find the area of the fence, 11 times 5.5, which equals 60.5. Then, they have to subtract the area of the fence from the area of the garden. 60.5 minus 42. The answer is 18.5 square feet. You can apply these tips to all categories of math in the 6th grade when creating word problems. To learn more about math and other topics, please visit About.com. And thanks for watching.